Hello, welcome to Let's Cook at Home with your octopisual artist, Lyric Jones. Today, my people, I have a new appliance. It's the Ninja Air Fryer. I bought this for myself for Christmas. I'm so excited. Can't you tell? Oh my God. So I got it, I unwrapped it, I have not used it. Okay, this is the first time that I'm using it. I just unwrapped it this morning. Okay, so I'm thinking, all right, I had some tater tots in the freezer, and I'm like, well, maybe I'll put some tater tots in it just to see. No, we're gonna break this bad boy in the right way. I left and I went to the meat store and I bought, what did I buy? Come on, guess, say it. That's right, chicken wings, damn it. That's what I went and got. So I got them. They've been marinating in some vinegar water. And I'm going to dump that water off. I'm going to have to read the directions. You know I hate to read directions. I like to figure it out. But I don't want to do her like that. I want to be nice to her, okay? So I'm going to read the directions and see what she want me to do, okay? Isn't she pretty? Look how big it is. It's bigger than I thought. I thought it would be smaller, you know, but she's a pretty hefty size. It's not that heavy. Let me see. Got a deep little dish in it. This is the little stand that you put your meat or french fries or whatever you're going to put in there. I'm going to have to get the accessories later. So I think I may, well, depending on what happens today, I may start to use this in some more videos and see. Alright, y'all ready for this? I hope I don't mess it up. Let's see. Let me put my glasses on now. Let's see what we got going on. Hold on. Okay. Now. I already wiped it out. And we're doing chicken. Chicken goes on 390 degrees, and it needs to warm up for 3 minutes. So, temperature, hold on, 390, alright. Now what? Alright, time. Alright, we'll do 20 minutes. And then let's put a few more minutes on there just because it's got to warm up for 3 minutes. It shouldn't take me, I'm going to do 25 just to give me time to get the chicken and everything coated. Okay? And then it says oh, alright, so we're going to let it preheat. Oh my God. Okay. Now, this is the part that I am a little miffed about, okay? So I did actually ask Siri to help me out, okay? So according to Siri, if you're going to use oil on the chicken, you have to do it before you flour it. Then there was another piece of information, and she had a spray bottle of oil. But then when I watched a couple of little videos, and I didn't completely watch the videos, I have watched it because I was only looking for the information about the oil. And the two men that did the video, neither one of them used oil at all. And my brain doesn't comprehend that right now. That was just over my head, like, no oil at all, and we're using flour. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do it a couple ways. We're going to try it both ways, okay? So I'm going to try it a few pieces and coat it in some olive oil. I probably should use coconut oil. I don't know. Y'all are going to see my trial and error today. But I'm going to try it with a little bit of oil on some of the pieces, and then I'm going to try it without oil. Okay? But I like when you want to try it without the oil. Just because the two guys that did theirs, it just really did look good. So, fuck it. Let's try it without the oil. And if it doesn't work and I don't like it, then I'll try it again next time, you know, with the oil. So I won't fry all the chicken today. I'm just going to fry a few pieces just to see how it turns out. I don't even know. I don't even know where to start. Oh my God. Alright, so I guess I'll start by adding a few pieces of chicken to my flour mixture. So this is seasoned flour. I've already added all my goodies in there that I wanted to add in there. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with, let's try 3 pieces. Okay, let's try 3. We're gonna try it with 3 pieces first. And then if I don't like it that way, it's no harm, no foul. Alright? Now hold on. Alright, so it has a little instructional sticky tab, and it says for chicken 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 26 minutes. Let's test it out and see. Alright, so I'm supposed to hit pause. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so I'm just going to add this in just like this. Oh, you know what I was supposed to do? Hold on. Because this lady, she said to put parchment paper in there. And I do have some parchment paper right here. Hold on. Now the guys that use theirs, they didn't use any parchment paper. But we're going to test it out and see. Again, this is trial and error. The only way you learn in life is by making mistakes. No. We're going to do 3 pieces. Okay? So we're going to put in, because this is hot, I don't want to sit it on my cutting board. 1, 2, 3. And I'm making sure that they are not touching one another. Okay? So I'm going to put that back in there. And then let's start her back up. Alright. Well, I'm going to straighten up here a little bit. I have some sauces that I want to try out with my air fryer wings. This one is called Tiger Sauce. This here is thing. My coworker got me hit for this. It's the bomb. It feels so good though when you eat it. But it's the most painful coming out. If you know what I mean. It does not feel good coming out. But it does taste good going down. Alright, and then I have the buffalo wing ranch. Alright, so I have not tried this one. This is hot sauce and buttermilk. I don't even remember where I bought this at. I don't remember where I bought it at, but I wanted to try it. I might have got it at Walmart, most likely. That's probably where I picked it up at. But I don't know, it just looked good in the bottle to me, so I thought I'd pick it up. So, I'm going to come back in a few. Alright? Alright. Here it is, y'all. Let's see what it looks like with oil. Wow. 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 Oh. Oh no, this one looks kind of dusty. Still sizzling. Alright. Let's crack her open. Did you hear that? Did you hear the crunch? Let me try another piece. Can you hear that? Wow. You hear that crunch? And it's cooked too. It really is. It's sincerely cooked. "25 minutes. And it goes by so fast. It really does. I mean, you really don't realize how fast 25 minutes can go when you're doing something else. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It doesn't really look, honestly, it doesn't look too much different than the 3 that we fixed without the oil. The smell is wonderful. The taste is the same. Like, you really, I can't tell any difference between adding the olive oil and not adding the olive oil. No. So that's it. I don't need any, you don't need it. You hear that? You don't really need the oil. You really don't. Now, like I said, this is the one with the oil. Taste-wise, texture-wise, it's damn near the same. So, if you want to, fine. If you don't, that's even better. That's one less ingredient you gotta use. So, that's it, folks. That's it. I am completely thrilled with my Christmas gift. This was a last minute gift. I ended up getting it on sale. So that's why I end up buying it. I was going to get it next year, you know, just get around. I've been had it in my Amazon cart forever, and I keep buying other shit instead of it. And then it came up on sale. I'm like, oh, I couldn't beat this sale because they usually run about $100. I think I got mine for like $59, $60 with free shipping. So it was a great purchase. Because I really do like chicken wings. I really do. And now that I know I can just throw me a few in there and have just enough to cure my little hankering for them and be done with it, it's fantastic. I've been trying to figure out where I'm going to put it, you know, in the house. And I might leave her sitting right here. She may end up being my go-to appliance. This is a good purchase. This really is a good purchase. If you don't buy anything else, get yourself an air fryer for the chicken alone. You know, so I will we'll try some more recipes. I'm going to order a cookbook for air fryers. In the next couple weeks, I'll order one. And I'll pull out a few recipes in there and see what we can find and try it out. But I am exceedingly pleased. I really am, because sometimes, you know, they have appliances and it's all the big hype, and then you get it and it's like, whatever. But no, she's going to stay. I may end up clearing this whole little section out over here just to put her there, to give her a permanent place, because I'm going to use this. I really am. So, that's it, y'all. We came, we seen it, and we used it, and it passed the Lyric Original Let's Cook at Home test. It passed with flying colors. I'm in awe of it. I really am. So, yeah, I would give this a thumbs up. I say go ahead and get you one, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I really don't. So, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. I appreciate the new subscribers that I have. If you all have any ideas, I think somebody wanted me to stuff some chicken breast. I think that's what she asked for, stuffed chicken breast. When I have a taste for it, I'll do it. And you know what? Maybe we might try it in the air fryer and see how it goes. You know? We might be able to test it out in there and see. So anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your family and your friends. And come back and see me again. And remember, above all things, keep a lyric in your heart. Till next time.